Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Cigna Corp, and this is the chart on weekly basis, and there is an interesting thing or important thing which is about to happen, and that's what we are going to discuss over here. So if you are looking at this chart, what you will see at first sight is a range inside which the stock is consolidating. Okay, so this is the lower end of the range and this is the higher end of the range. So the first thing that we are going to discuss about the range is this, that unless the stock makes a breakout, we are not going to think about any sort of upside as well as downside. Now first let's understand the trend. So here we have, on the downside you have $142 and on the upside you have $226. The way the stock has placed probably looks that it is at the higher end of the range, and probably it will go to the lower end of the range because it has touched the higher end of the trading range. Now if it will fall below, you will have your next support at $186 followed by $164, and you have $142 on the downside. On the upside you have $218 and $226. So as I have said, that unless the stock moves beyond the range, you should not become either bullish or bearish. Now you have defined targets or support and resistance level inside the range, but that's not what we are going to discuss here. If the stock is trading inside the range, that's fine. So you take decision as per the support and resistance level, that would be fine. But because we are using weekly chart, it will definitely take some time to reach your targets, and obviously there will be lots of consolidation and correction will be in between. Now what the important thing about this trend is, if the stock makes a breakout above 227, because this is the highest end of the range at which the stock is currently consolidating for the last 2 or 2.5 years. If the stock sustains and makes a breakout above 227, then it will be a start of a new trend, and in that case you will have a bigger target on the upside, and that's what the important thing that we are going to discuss in this video. So for that, to understand, we need to know about the current trend, and as you can see, the range of consolidation worth 58% from the lows towards the higher end of the range. So in case if the stock makes a breakout and sustain above $227 or higher, then the next target which we are going to look in this particular stock will be $359. So do not stick to the point that I'm saying $359. It can be $350, it can be $370. So you need to adjust it accordingly, like $5 or $10 up or down. But that's what, and the reason behind that is the kind of liquidity we have in the market, and there is no denial. Okay, you can check all the indices, whether it is Dow Jones, whether it is Nasdaq, whether it is S&P, whether it is Russell, or you have any indices. And I am saying this thing again and again and again in the last 2 years, that whatever you can say, this cycle of bull market is not yet over. Okay, and there are lots of higher levels which are yet to be seen, and policies saying the same thing, they are iterating the same kind of echo, the same kind of sound. So do not become bearish without any reason, without having any facts, without having any research data, or if you have a very prudent background data, then it's the individual call. Okay, now having said that, you can check all the videos, it is available on my channel page. But the most important thing in this chart, that if the stock sustain above 225, which is probably, which is very likely, otherwise the stock will be inside the range and you will have all your support and resistance level intact, as I've explained you. If it happens above 227, so the next target which we are looking at will be 359 or $360 on the upside. One more thing, if in any adverse scenario, if the support level breaks, then one must understand how much or what is the risk they want to carry, or they have the capacity to carry that risk. Otherwise, in any case where subsequent support level broken down or about to break or already breaks, then in that case one must take decision accordingly whether to hold or close down their positions. Otherwise, for overall trend for this particular stock, I have already made a long-term chart video. You can check out the overall video where I have explained about the trend. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.